Okay, so here we are for part 3, and all we're doing here is converting our populated InDesign document to a PDF. Really simple. I've only got 3 pages in mine. Hopefully you'll have more. So once we've populated our InDesign portfolio, we're going to go to File and Export. It's most likely going to open defaulted to Adobe PDF for print, and that for most instances is perfect. However, if you've put some links into your PDF, perhaps to your website or to external sites, you would select PDF Interactive, and that would keep those links live, meaning that when we were to review those portfolios on screen, we could click on those links and they would open those sites. We will probably give you some guidance on the naming of your portfolio. Please, when you get that, stick to it. It's probably going to be something along the lines of your surname followed by your first name. It just means that when we put all those files into one folder, it's far easier to navigate them. So keep your eyes out, you'll be guided on that. Please follow that instruction. So I'm going to save this PDF to my desktop. There's not many things you have to concern yourself with here. Just make sure you're exporting as pages. If you export as spreads, it will compile the pages next to one another as if we were looking at a book. And obviously these being landscape, that becomes a very long, thin, difficult to look at image. So keep them as pages rather than spreads. Compression, we've already dealt with all that stuff in Photoshop. If you remember, we talked about the ability to compress images in InDesign, but I believe it's worth doing in Photoshop to give you an idea of what you're doing and why. And nothing else, crops, output, advanced, really comes into it at the minute. So this is the only option you really have to worry about. All pages and export as pages. Click OK. This little graph at the top that scrolls up and down, that's just saying that PDF has been created. 3 pages only, so that was really quick. Yours should take longer. So if we now go to the desktop, there we go. There's our PDF. So I will open that in preview, and there you go. Nice and clear, really simple, perfect. Okay, so that's parts 1, 2 and 3. There will be a few things that maybe trip you up. I'm not going to create a tutorial that lists all of them because it's impossible to know what they would be. I invite you to drop Jim or myself emails when those problems arise, and we'll do our very best to help you out. Of course, you can always look at LinkedIn Learning for tutorials and YouTube and Google in general. All the answers are out there, but if you're really stuck, drop us an email.